If you live in an area where there is a high concentration of limescale in the water, or if it's been a while since you have cleaned your shower head and notice clogging in some of the shower head's holes, then it's recommended that you do the next process to make sure that your shower head is performing at its best. So the first thing we want to do is to mix white vinegar and water into a bowl, or if you have a plastic bag, you can pour it into the plastic bag. Alright, step number 2 is to detach your Stonestream shower head from your shower hose or your wall adapter. Next, we want to make sure and soak our Stonestream shower head into the vinegar solution. Or if you're using the plastic bag, make sure to put that around the shower head so that all the holes are immersed in the vinegar solution. So preferably, we'd want to let this soak overnight. But if we don't have that luxury, we recommend that you soak for at least 1 hour. After that hour, let's go ahead and take our shower head out of the vinegar solution, or if you have the bag, remove the bag and go ahead and wipe away any limescale deposits. So the next step is then to reattach the Stonestream shower head back to the hose or to the wall adapter. And the last step is to run hot water through the shower head for about a minute or two, and this is going to clean up any vinegar or limescale residue that's left behind. You're all set! Enjoy your good as new shower head!